In the words of Meg Thee Stallion, switch wigs make him feel like he was cheating. I'm Sharielle Smith, editor-in-chief of Laptop Mag, and this is the first generation Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Fold. We've been seeing a lot of this behind the scenes, and now it's almost ready for its big debut. The base model will be $24.99, and it will be available sometime in Q4. Don't hold us to that, but right now that's the date that we got. So let's talk about the Fold. It's a convertible, and this is what it looks like without its keyboard, which is actually the keyboard of the ThinkPad X1 Nano. So you get the smile shaped keys, you get that quality that you expect from Lenovo, and you also get the nub. Looking for nub in all the wrong places, or all the right places, because this is a Lenovo keyboard. And I'm gonna take away the pin, which is a Wacom pin, so you know you're gonna get really good quality here. And this is how it looks without all of that. So beautiful. 16.3 inch display, 4.3 aspect ratio, 2.5K resolution, and as you can see here, the hinge has been changed, so now it closes all the way, so no seam here. The backs of this are actually made of recycled plastic bottles, but it feels really premium, and behind this is graphite, carbon fiber and graphite to give it that sturdy feel. Weighs about 2.8 pounds, and here we see it in landscape and portrait mode, and it's just really, really slick, and I really can't wait to touch this and play with it more in all its many, many use cases. Back to that keyboard really, really quick, because I noticed some cool things about it. You've got a built-in fingerprint reader. The touchpad is haptic, so you can feel it as you move, and the base model will not come with the keyboard or the pen, so like you will be paying extra for that. How much, we don't know yet. In terms of ports, it has 2 Thunderbolt ports, but if you do get the keyboard, you will get an additional Thunderbolt 4 port. In terms of specs, the base model starts with Core i5, but this does go up to Core i7 vPro, so this is really cool for businesses, consumers, C-suite level users, and you know, kids that just want to be the cool kids on the block with the cool new piece of tech. And the magnets are really strong, as you can see here, because I'm struggling to open it, but it does have a little bit of a bezel, but that is so when you are manipulating it, you're not getting fingerprints on this beautiful display. And what I really like about this, because you can barely see the crease, but I would be very worried about this in real life if it wasn't mil-spec tested. So it has gone through the same mil-spec testing that we've seen on other ThinkPads. So think 3-foot drops, extreme temperatures, shock, a little bit of water. Don't put too much water on this, but it can take a beating. So I feel very confident. I'm actually think I'm going to do a feature on this where I spend a month with this and try to destroy it. We'll see how it goes. But right now, this is the pristine Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Fold, and I am Sharielle Smith. And for more coverage out of IFA, from Lenovo, laptops, tablets, and everything in between, stay tuned to Laptop Mag.